This tilapia recipe was nothing but finger licking and so delicious. So I decided to share with you. I know you are going to love it. Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Lena, and if today is the first time here, welcome. Akwaba, Barkadezua, Wezo. So we are making grilled tilapia. Do you prefer to use charcoal or electric stove? Let me see it in the comment section. Which one do you think is the nicest one? That is just by the way. So we will just soak our tilapia in our salt water for 2 good hours. So please, if you've not watched how I washed this tilapia, can you please watch the video for me? It will be at the top there. Thank you for watching. So I'll just use my paper towel to drain some of the water from the tilapia. Thank you. Since the day I used charcoal to grill tilapia, oh my goodness, I have fallen in love with it. The experience is like you going viral. Hey, that day you won't eat. Maybe you've not gone viral before, but that day I don't think you will eat. Feeling a guy. So I've smeared the ingredients on it, and this is the one we are using oven. So I'll just go and put it in my electric oven. Then let's set our fire for the one we are going to use charcoal. Do you know it's raining? You can see it. It's raining, but see, I'm just going to grill this in the rain. I don't care. So I will set the fire ready and we proceed. So my husband wants the one in the oven because he thinks I'm just going to delay if I use the charcoal. Actually, I used 1 good hour for the charcoal one, and the electric stove one I used 57 minutes. I know you see the time is like huge, like I spent a lot of time cooking the food. Yes, when I'm cooking I don't want to rush at all. I just want to relax and cook. No, then after you are done the food looks like something big. No, I relax and keep it in my head that yes, I'm bossy in my kitchen, you know. Like how when you go to work you sit comfortable, like you are in your office. My kitchen too is my office, so I relax when I cook so that it can look presentable. Yeah, so I will just put it on the fire. I'm just going to add one of the tilapia, okay, because my baby girl will also eat some. That one is in the water. I will add it later, so it's the same video. Don't get confused. Thank you. So after 30 minutes, this is how it is looking, and I'm just going to turn it. The oven one is ready, and I said earlier I used 57 minutes for that. So now this one too is ready. After 1 hour it's ready, and it looks juicy, which I don't like. Okay, I'm still learning how to eat fish. Yeah, so I want it very dry, and all the charcoal one was big. Thank you for watching, and please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next one.